Why do 100% of ancient Japanese palaces have chirping floors? To outsmart ninjas, of course. In ancient Japan, security wasn't about cameras or alarms, it was all about creaky floors. Known as Nightingale floors or uguisubari, these planks were designed to chirp like birds when walked upon. The sound? A clever deterrent for any stealthy intruder, including the notorious ninjas. Found in temples, palaces and homes of the wealthy, these floors turned sneaky steps into musical notes. One famous example is Nijō Castle in Kyoto, built in the early 17th century. Its floors were deliberately made to creak, ensuring that no one could move silently. The secret lay in the dry wooden planks which naturally creaked under pressure. This ingenious design made it nearly impossible for anyone to sneak around unnoticed. So next time you hear a floor creak, remember, it might just be a centuries-old ninja alarm system.